Hello friends, hope you are all doing well. In this video we will discuss what is the closure in JavaScript. So let's start topic. So first we will create a function and then we can see what's the closure, what's happening. Outer function, and we create a variable outer, and create a inner function. In the inner function we can just print out this variable. At the end we can return this inner function. Yes, so we create a function inside a function and also create a variable. So in the definition, the closure is a combination of function and the lexical environment within which the function was declared. In the environment, the environment consists of variables, functions and objects in the scope where the closure was created. So in the example you can see this variable is declared here, but this variable we can access this variable to into this function, and and this function forms a closure from its outer lexical environment. This outer lexical environment, things are accessed inside this function even this function execution is terminated. So let's call this function outer, and we can see this what is the return closure, and we see this function returns the inner function. Yes, here from here if we call this function, what will be the output? And we can see, yes, we can see we are getting im from the outer function. So in the closure, even if the function execution is terminated, but compiler is very uh, very intelligent. He knows, we know, we normally when the function execution is completed, all the variable inside the function and the other things are go inside the garbage collector and things remove from the memory. But in that case, the compiler says this outer function execution is completed and it returns this the function reference. But he knows this variable is used inside this function. So he retains the reference from this outer function of this variable, and not and this variable is not going to the garbage collector. This seems this variable is memorized because he knows this variable later on this variable will be used inside any other place. So this is the closure. And we can another thing, closure are powerful because they allow function to access and manipulate variables from outer scope. Even after the outer function has returned, this behavior is achieved by passing a reference to the variable, preventing from the garbage collected. Closure are commonly used in JavaScript for various purposes such as creating private variables, implementing data encapsulation, and preventing state in asynchronous operation. Yes. P- uh, Throughout this closure, we can create this we can create a private variable. We know this variable we can't use after this method. We can only access this method through this variable. In the other, if I show you, we can outer variable, and we will get reference error because we did not use call this function, because this variable is not present in the global execution context. The variable is created with var, and we know that var has a functional scope, and this outer variable is is accessible throughout this function, and inherits uh, inherit this function inherit all the things from its parent function, and this parent function has this property. So this property is inherited to this function and forms a closure. So I think you can understand what is a closure, and how we can when we can say the this function has a closure or not. So that's for the thing today. Hope you will understand this topic. See, we will meet in the next video section. Thanks for you watching.